dude. We got swirling.
Yeah.
And it's about to go right over us.
Yeah. I was like, man, it's gonna hit the show.
Look at that.
Tornado warning to just came on my phone. Like,
Oh, dude, that is seriously gonna hit us. I kid you not.
Oh, dude, check that out.
It's gonna hit the shock.
Hey, it's a job.
Oh my god.
Fuck.
Dude, where do we go? We've got nowhere to go. You're going to the truck. Holy shit.
Everyone's fucking running.
Oh,
Holy shit. It's heading right for us.
I know. Oh gosh, dude. I'm not kidding. Yeah, get the keys in there. I don't want to be sitting here. Holy shit!
Get the fuck out of here.
Look, everybody's just running. Stay right here.
Alright. Holy shit!
Oh my gosh, dude.
Whoa. What was that?
I don't know. Look at that, dude. Look at that. I know I am. I'm still filming it. And it's just sitting there.
Dude, move! I'm
Kidding.
Oh shit, you can move that way.
I don't know. No, it's not.
They're moving this way.
I can't tell what way it's going.
Right now,
Oh, I like the rain hard.
It's kicking on. It's not good.
where do you go?
Oh, there's a hail. Here comes the hail.
We don't need that either.
Hey, you ain't just right off center.
Want to put the car in, Donna? I don't know. Want to put the car in? Hail.
Come on, guys. Say what's that you. No. Come on.
Look at the trees. Wow. It's crazy. Look at that wind.
That sounds like a train.
It must be over there. Gotta be. Man, this is crazy. Wow. It's probably just right there. Go in. Whoa! Yeah, that's right there. Shall we go in or?
Yeah.
Let's go in. It's getting ugly out there. Oh no. Oh man. It went the tree.